2 pounds of ground sirloin.
Do you put anything in the meat?
I do. Half a teaspoon of salt, kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and a tablespoon of Worcestershire. All right? I'm gonna massage this gently. We don't want to overwork the meat. It becomes tough. We don't want tough meat. We want juicy burgers. So I've got blue cheese.
Okay.
Now you're gonna know the secret. No one else is gonna know this.
All right.
There's blue cheese inside the burger. Yeah?
Fantastic.
I know. You want to poke a little hole into the burger. Stuff the burger with blue cheese. Hello. And then we're gonna flatten these out. About a 1/4 inch, that's what you want. Hey, baby.
Hey, good to see you.
See you, man.
How are you?
How you doing?
I'm doing great.
We're gonna go grill, come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Go.
She's very bossy when she cooks.
I understand. That's right. Same as my house.
Brady is getting better at the grill, but we have a rule in our house. If it's a really important meal, Mama does it.
I'm telling you this.
I know.
It's
so good, right?
really good.
It's very hoppy.
Whoa, look who it is. Ooh, pretty burgers. These are ready, guys. Now we're gonna build Tiffani's Luxe burger. Got the buns. We've got our beautiful caramelized onions. One perfectly cooked patty with a secret inside. We've got lettuce, tomato, little avocado, crispy bacon. Other half of the bun, secret sauce, Tiffani's ultimate Luxe burger, people. So good.
Oh, first of all, the onions. Where'd you marinate those in?
A little bit of oil, baby.
That's it.
Uh-huh.
Wow.